Okay. So in the yesterday, what we discussed related with the Selenium, what is the Selenium WebDriver, and what are the advantage and limitations, or you can say advantage and disadvantages of the Selenium, and how to download the web API drivers. So already I given the link to you. Share. Please go through once. If you have any queries, let me know. Okay. Uh, Apart from that, today we move on the programs. Let me increase the size. Okay, here what we are setting the properties. We're using a set property method. This is the driver name for the uh, Chrome. The driver name is webdriver.chrome.driver. This is the WebDriver driver name, and this is the path where you are storing your Chrome driver.exe. This is what the server you are running on the browser. So this is what we are doing here. Here we are creating an object for Chrome driver, because a Chrome driver is a class. Chrome driver is a class. Chrome driver is a class, and WebDriver. Sorry, WebDriver is what? It's an interface. What we are doing here, we are creating an object for a Chrome driver, creating an object for an Chrome driver, and given to web driver. So web driver is an interface. We cannot create an object for the web driver. So what we are doing, we are creating an object for Chrome driver and assigning to the web driver. Web driver is what? It's an interface. This is called what? One of the dynamic polymorphism. This is called dynamic polymorphism. Okay. So this is the one of the interview questions. Can you explain this one? So in that case, just you can say Chrome driver is an class. So we are creating an object for Chrome driver. We are assigning with the web driver to call the functionality which is present in your web drivers. So that's what this line is called, what? Dynamic polymorphism. Once you create this object for the Chrome driver, from where in which browser it is working, it is working on a Chrome, because we are setting the Chrome driver and executing the server for the Chrome driver. So once you are assigning with these things, let's call the method with a get. What the get it will do? A get method will launch the URL. Always keep in mind. So get method having a, always it having a URL. So what this function it will do? It will launch the browser. It will launch the browser. So let me save it and run the applications. So which one it will execute? It will execute an whichever the URL you are providing, that URL it is going to be launching. Let me run this, run a Java application. So look at the Chrome is going to be executing and opening the browser. So this is what the basic setup of what your WebDriver. So if I take already we are setting with the jar with the Selenium. Okay. So let me show you once again how do we go for it. Let me, okay. Fine. Now take one more new Java project. Chrome driver. Now So you can next and finish. Once you created your test class, what are the things I need to do? I need to add a jar and I need to be set the Chrome driver. So what I need to do? First, I need to be set the jar. So already I downloaded a jar and kept into where? I kept into here. So where it is? Selenium class. This is the Chrome driver server jar. Selenium server jar. So how do I set this path? Let's say right click on the project name, go to build, configure the build, go to libraries, select the class path, add external jar. So here I have a jar, just you can select it and open and apply, close it. Now the jar is added. Selenium jar, you should be add here. Okay, reference jar. So Selenium jar is added. Next, what I need to do, I need to set up the driver. So I can create one folder. So here I'm saying drivers. Now I can finish it. Go to here. So already I downloaded Chrome driver.exe. Just you can copy this and paste to your drivers. Now if I want to select the Firefox driver, now what I have to do, I should go to uh, downloads. Here I need to download what? I need to download what? Firefox. So go to here documentations. Oh, sorry. Okay. Gecko driver releases. Otherwise, you can go to downloads. Here I have what? Versions. Sorry. Here I can go Firefox. Where it is? Okay. Releases. Selenium you downloaded. And also operating system not used. I go for this Firefox Gecko driver. So otherwise what you have to do, simply you can write Google and Gecko driver download. As you can say download. So release of Mozilla, download Gecko driver. So from anywhere you can download, that is not an issue. So here you can download the Gecko drivers. Okay. Gecko driver. Let me check. This is meant for release. Drivers, go to Selenium, Firefox, Selenium. Add-on we are getting. The UI is changed now. This documentation. Download the version I64. Okay, Gecko driver. Then you can download Mozilla Gecko driver. Asset web driver. Close. It should be download. Client drivers. It's the same it is getting. Downloads exist. C# driver. Otherwise, you can do one thing. Previous release. This is the Selenium downloading. And repository source code. Repository here only we are getting. co-drivers. It is not getting the page. Wait 1 second. Install the drivers. Driver configuration, Selenium manager. We need key co-drivers. Remote web driver, deleting. It is not written here. Support browser. Okay, Firefox. Driver. Set. Should be download, guys. Mozilla org. Download. Let me check 1 second. Stop. Let me stop the record.